Now we need to discuss a very important step for the users who are redesigning their old HubSpot website. Many users make a huge mistake when rebuilding a website on a HubSpot. They simply create a new page for the existing pages, which leads to the loss of important information that the current page holds. This information includes history, analytics, tracking data, SEO settings such as metadata, and URL redirects. There is only one way to redesign a current HubSpot website, and that is to use the content staging tool. Now let's return to the HubSpot portal and I will show you how to use it. Here's the website page, and let's pretend I want to rebuild this old page. Name of the page is preview page. And now let's navigate to the content staging. We're in the content staging and here's the page I want to rebuild. So if we want to start to build the page, we have to click on the stage button. And here we have three options. The stage blank option should be used in case where we want completely rebuild the page with another theme and template. The stage clone option should be used in case where we just want apply minor changes to existing page while preserving the original one. And stage detached clone option should be used if we want to create a new page using one of the already published pages. In our case, I'm rebuilding pages with a new theme and template, so I have to choose stage blank page option. Now we can select which template we want to use as a starting point. For this example, I will use the inner template and I will select this template here. So what do we do next? Now we can build and customize the page how we want in the same way you do it in the website pages on the HubSpot portal. After customizing and creating the page, we can publish to the staging phase. And one important thing I want to mention and remind you of, if we navigate to the general settings of the page, we will see all previous settings of the old page here. Just keep in mind, once we publish the page with a new template and new design, your old page will be replaced, but all settings of the page will remain as they were on the old page. Alright, now I will click on the publish to staging. Okay, and the page has been published to the staging. And now I will return back to the list of the pages in the content staging. If we click on the stage proof tab, we will see the pages here. And once we're sure the page is done and ready to replace the old page, we have to navigate to the publish. And here we just select the page that we want to publish live. And we hit this magic button to replace our old page with a new one. Here we can add additional information to the log so you will remember what you did and your team will know in the future. Next, once we are ready, we have to review the summary and we can publish this task. All right, let's do it. Let's confirm it. And here's in the log, we can see that the task can be completed. Now I will come back to the website pages. Let's open the page we just built in the content staging. And here's the page we just created in the content staging. I want to address one important issue regarding why users often stop rebuilding pages in the content staging. I believe they are afraid that they will never able to access their old pages. But here's a solution how we can do this after replacing the page with a new one. If we navigate to the version history on the page, we can access the full history of the page. And if you believe you need access to your old page, you just select the old version of the page here, and you can access the content of the old version if you need. And secondly, if necessary, you can restore your old page. So if you need to rebuild all pages in a HubSpot, the content staging is the only right way to do it if you want to build the project efficiently.